Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Your phone is Android or iOS and you have account access. Once signed in, open the official App Store and search the premium autocorrect provider. Tap subscribe or start trial. This is the first actionable step. Make sure to choose the English premium plan explicitly, not a language pack. Enter payment details and accept terms. Once done, allow the app to install its keyboard and grant full access permissions, so the engine can learn your typing and replace errors accurately. Next, install and set the premium keyboard as your system default. You must enable the English variant you want and turn on grammar and context options. These drive premium corrections. Then open the app's onboarding and allow personalization so the model adapts to your style. Adjust aggressiveness. Conservative for few replacements, aggressive for automatic fixes. Once configured, type sample sentences in a Notes app to accelerate learning. Make sure sync is enabled, so cloud-trained suggestions appear across devices. To finish, confirm your subscription status inside the app and check the store receipt. Then restart your device to ensure services start cleanly. If autocorrect doesn't appear, go back to Settings, re-enable the keyboard and full access, and toggle language options off and on. If problems persist, export diagnostic logs and contact support through in-app help. As a troubleshooting tip, reinstalling the app and restoring your account session often resolves permission or sync errors and restores premium English autocorrect.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.